In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the theme in Google Calendar. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where the appearance settings are, how to switch between themes, and how to confirm everything is applied correctly, so your calendar looks and feels just the way you want it. First, open Google Calendar in your web browser and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once your calendar view loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see a gear-shaped icon, which represents the main settings menu. Click on that gear icon and a small drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the option labeled Settings. This will take you away from the main calendar view and into the full settings page. On the left-hand side of the settings page, you'll see a sidebar with different sections you can customize. Slowly scroll through this list until you find the section called Appearance. This is the area where Google keeps all the visual and theme-related options for your calendar. Go ahead and click on Appearance to open those specific settings. Now that you're in the Appearance section, you'll see options that let you change how your calendar looks. This may include different theme styles, such as light or dark modes, or other variations depending on the current version of Google Calendar. Click on the theme option you prefer. When you select a theme, you might see a small preview of how your calendar will look, which can help you decide which one works best for your eyes and your workflow. Take a moment to review your choice and make sure you're happy with how it appears in the preview or in the background of your calendar. If you want to try another look, simply click a different theme until you find one that feels right. Once you're satisfied with your selection, look for the button labeled Done, usually at the bottom of the Appearance Settings area or in a visible spot near your theme options. Click on Done to save and apply your new theme. After that, you can return to your main calendar view, where you'll see your updated theme in action. And that's all it takes to change the theme in Google Calendar. You've opened the settings, gone into Appearance, selected your preferred theme, and confirmed it by clicking Done.